Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we are checking out the Watch 2 from Soundpeats, the best budget smartwatch of the year so far. Let's take a look. Now a little bit of housekeeping before we get into the video. Now I've already done some videos on Soundpeats products in the past, including it in the best budget smartwatch of 2021 where it took the crown. The Watch 2 is available now and of course is going to be linked in that description down below. Now price wise you're looking around $50 and it's only available in one colour, which is this kind of gunmetal grey or space grey colour that I have here. So starting off with the design, and like a ton of budget options, you've got a metal frame and then a plastic back where you've got all of your sensors. You have one button on the side which is used to actually turn the device on and off and go back when you're in menus, and then you have the magnetic bi-pin connector for the charging side of things. And like most budget smartwatches, it does have its own specific charger, so even if you've got the Watch Pro 1 from last year, the charger isn't going to work with the newest model. Now the watch strap is a silicone sport band which can be easily changed with the quick release pins for pretty much any standard watch band. But overall the Watch 2 strap that it comes with is very soft and just has a really nice overall finish to it, so if you're going to be using it for long periods of time or even for a workout situation, then it's going to be comfy pretty much all day every day. So to sum up the overall design, it looks pretty good. It's also extremely light at only 35 grams and it's also IP68 water resistant as well, so again you can use it for swimming workouts or if you're going to the gym, you sweat, whatever it may be, no problems whatsoever, and just general it has a really nice slim profile to it that doesn't really get in the way. However, if you do want to use it for more of a sporty activity or if you're going out and about, I think it fits in really nicely to a ton of different scenarios. And then of course around the front you do have the screen. Now for a lot of budget smartwatches, this is where the budget side of things really comes into play. Don't expect any super dark AMOLED screens with great outdoor viewing, but overall the Watch 2 screen is still pretty good for what you get. You have a 1.28 inch TFT display with a resolution of 240 by 240. Now this gives you a PPI of around 250 pixels per inch. So yes, it may not be the most pixel rich display out there, but just in general for what you need it for in regards to telling the time, going through the menus and seeing stuff on the actual watch, the resolution isn't really too bad. Now the brightness side of things is kind of where the watch falls down in my opinion. If you're trying to use this outdoors, and especially here in the UK at the moment, we've got a super hot summer going on, the sun is out pretty much all the time, and it's actually really hard to see this particular watch while you're out and about. Now if you're indoors and you've got just general indoors lighting, then again not really too much of a problem. However, if you do use it out and about or you're actually using it for outdoors exercise, sometimes you may struggle a little bit to see exactly what's on the display. But then again, if you're using it for more of a workout scenario, how often are you really looking at the watch while you're out and about? So that's kind of down to personal preference. So next up we have the performance side of things, and again for a budget smartwatch this is pretty middle of the road in regards to what it can do, how fast it is, and just in general how responsive the actual OS feels. Now, like the Watch Pro 1 before it, the overall performance on the watch is actually quite good. Now, it's fast to get in and out of screens, and if you want to go ahead and start a workout, it's super quick to do so. Now, you also have 12 different workouts to measure, including biking, running, swimming, rowing, plus a ton more. And of course, you've got access to most of the stock smartwatch stuff that you would expect. So you've got heart tracking, weather info, music control, and notifications. So basically, it's a smartwatch, kind of. However, after using the Galaxy Watch 4, my opinion on what an actual smartwatch is has definitely changed from my previous budget smartwatch videos. And of course you can watch my review on the Galaxy Watch 4 linked in that description below if you're looking for more of a premium smartwatch option. So basically a budget smartwatch these days is really just a fitness tracker with a smartwatch style. Now you don't have the Fitbit styling, but you do have the watch with the traditional round design that makes you think it's more of a smartwatch than what it actually is. But again, looking around the OS, it's all about stats and fitness. Now, it's also pretty much the same OS that you find on most budget smartwatch options, so set your expectations before jumping in. Now, it is available on Amazon, so if you do want to pick it up, try it, and then maybe return it if it's not to your liking, you've definitely got the option to do so, and I would kind of recommend doing that. If you're going into it expecting a really good smartwatch experience like you may get with an Apple Watch or something from Samsung or Huawei or whoever it may be, then again, you really need to lower your expectations in regards to what this smartwatch can actually do. But then again, if you're looking for something for the fitness side of things that is light, slim, and in general has a nice design to it, then maybe the Watch 2 is the thing you're looking for. Now onto the battery life, and the Watch 2 has a 220 mAh battery, which Soundpeats states is going to last you around 7 days on a full charge. However, in my testing, it was more around the 4 to 5 days mark. Now, don't get me wrong, that's really good, but again, it's not pushing the power of something like an Apple Watch or a Galaxy Watch series. So while 4 to 5 days is good, it's because of the limited function of the actual smartwatch itself. However, if you're looking at it more of a fitness tracker, then the battery life may not be as good as some of the competitors out there, getting you around maybe 10 or 15 days on a single charge. So again, definitely something to keep in mind. And again, the kind of theme of this video is definitely limiting or setting your expectations for exactly what you're going to be getting. And that's going to do it, guys, on this video on the Soundpeats Watch 2. Now, I hope that it came across in this video that while this is a nice designed watch and it does kind of what you need it to do, it's definitely not up there when it comes to the best options available for a smartwatch. However, when you take into account the consideration of the price being only around $50, then it kind of inches its way up in regards to how good it is for the money. If you are looking for more of a budget option, or you're buying it for maybe a younger person or someone that is really only going to use it for the fitness side of things, then actually I think the Watch 2 is one of the better, if not the best options available for the price. However, if you do have someone that is deep in the Apple ecosystem or wants something better for the Android side of things, maybe from Samsung for example, then again, saving up a little bit extra time, a little bit extra money, around maybe £150 to £200 or around $200 is probably the better option to get a better design, better build quality, of course better OS with a ton more software updates moving later down the line as well, and just in general more smart features. But let me know in the comments section down below exactly what you would consider a budget smartwatch at the moment. Is it something like the Watch 2 or is it more of a fitness tracker? And if you guys are using any sort of smartwatch at the moment, let me know in the comments below exactly what you're using and what your experience has been like. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Also, once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on notifications so that you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. I'm probably going to go and get my Galaxy Watch 4 now, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.